Is there any mentioning of dinosaurs in the Quran or in the Sunnah? The answer is no. There's no mentioning to such an issue because it is of no great importance to the Muslims. So this can be a fact that they were there, and this can be a hoax. Either way, it doesn't make a big difference to us as Muslims. So Islam, Quran and Sunnah, is not necessarily going to tell you every single thing about the beginning of time, about history, about geology, about archaeology or whatever. No, this is not Quran and Sunnah. Allah tells us all what we need to know about living on earth, about where we are going after death, where we came from, what is the purpose and objective of our creation, what are we supposed to do. Islam governs everything that deals with our lives. Things at the past, whether they were flying dinosaurs or they looked like this or that, this is of no great importance, and this is why Islam doesn't tell us, does not confirm it, and it does not deny it. Likewise, is there any life on other planets? Does the Quran say anything? No, it doesn't confirm and it doesn't deny because of its no great importance to us. So if there are different worlds out there, good for them. It doesn't have to do anything with us. Focus on what is important. If you're running a marathon, you do not look right and left enjoying the scenery or watching a car racing another in a drag race or reading the advertisements. You focus on your race, and this is what you should do in life, and Allah knows best. Muhammad from Pakistan.
Yes, Sheikh. I have a question and
why did you not give salam?
Sorry, Sheikh. Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah. Maybe you think my aqidah is corrupt. Maybe you think I'm deviant. Maybe you think I'm not on the manhaj.
No,
yes.
no, sorry, Sheikh.
No problem. Yes, Muhammad.
Sheikh, so I have a request and a question.
Yes, what's your question?
You actually banned me from your website because I was asking the same question again and again. So I would like to apologize and
I accept your apology, and I sent your email to the admin, and they told me you're not blocked, akhi. And you keep on sending my other admins emails saying, please forgive me, please ask the shit, and keep on asking them, and the admin responsible for the website says, he's not blocked. The issue is, my website can take only 50 questions, 50. They begin at 6 o'clock p.m. in normal months. In Ramadan, I think they begin at 6 a.m. Fajr time in Mecca region. So according to Mecca region, 6 a.m. 6 or 1 minute to 6, you don't see the portal. 6 o'clock sharp, it appears. Now there are thousands of people waiting with cut and paste, Control V. It will paste their question and Control V, paste their emails and send. So they're all waiting for that exact second or moment. Therefore, 50 questions are posted, the portal is closed. You think that you're early, you want to put your question, and it is not going through, you think we blocked you. It's not this, you're not blocked, akhi. So maybe you have to be a bit quicker, and may Allah make things easy.